Ow. Hey, watch it. Hey, what do you think you are doing? Huh? No, I'm fine. None of your business, okay? No, I don't need help. I'm just... Ow. Just leave me alone. Where? Ah! It's you! Who are you? Why am I? Where am I? Not a step closer, human. I don't know why you brought me to this place, but I won't stand for this. I really won't stand for this. But no matter. Don't come any closer. You see these? Yes, they do look like ordinary hands to you. I have them tucked away for now, but my kind can produce nails so sharp they'll tear your soft flesh to ribbons. So, stay. Right there. That's better. Now, start answering my questions, human. Why am I here and who are you? Right, well, your name doesn't mean much to me. Now, why am I... Huh? What's that smell? It smells like... Human, what do you have there? A steak. Dinner, you say? Smells so good. Huh? No, I'm not drooling. Why would I? It's for me? What nefarious plans do you have, human? First, kidnapping me, and then... What? You didn't kidnap me. You say... Then how did I... Fainted? Now that you mention it, I remember something like that. No matter, I guess if you insist, I shall try some of that food you have prepared for me. But I'm watching you closely, human. Oh, you are giving it to me in a plate. How peculiar. I guess I'll indulge your wishes for now. Huh? What are you smiling about? You didn't poison it, right? How would I know? You might be the sort to do that. I mean, can you really tell a deranged person apart from others? Right? They would look like any other human. In any case, I guess I should thank you for the food. I mean, it was good, if I'm honest. I'm not used to this kind of treatment. What are these soft strips around my hands and legs? Bandages, you say? Did you attempt to tie my hands together or something? If so, you did a horrible job, as I'm still perfectly mobile, albeit a bit sore. The bandages are for covering my... Oh, you saw. And this is your way of treating them, I guess. I'm not going to answer any of your questions, human. Yeah, I know you have a name, but honestly, it sounds kind of stupid. I guess you did save my life out there. Kind of. And you fed me. Thank you. There, are we even now? No? You still want to ask me questions? Fine. You go ahead and ask. Then I'll see if I feel like answering. No, I don't have a name. Well, because I don't. My previous master didn't give me one. And it's not necessary for kind either, as you can easily recognize and greet each other through other means. Yes, I do feel a bit better. I'm not hungry anymore, so... The wounds? Oh. I'm very clumsy, so I trip and fall really easily. And I bruise even worse, so... Yeah, I guess the cuts are more difficult to explain. Okay, your turn. Yes, I know that wasn't a deal, but I have the clause, and I make the laws. So deal with it. I'm unsure what to ask you. Humans like to ask each other boring things like their job, even though you all seem to agree hating it. Right, so, what do you do? That sounds so tedious. What? It does! Even you sound bored talking about it. Honestly, I will never understand humans. Why would you ever do something for most of your day when you hate it so much? Money, you say? I see. And with money, you get things. So, you work in jobs you hate to buy things you love. And you say you are not deranged. You need the money to buy a house. You mean you don't own this place? Ah, yes, I have heard of this rent notion before. Nobody seems to like it. What's the difference? So, you are saving up to own a bigger apartment. Oh, it's a matter of ownership then. I know about that, though our kind has a different way of establishing ownership of a place. Don't worry about it. What were you saying? You want a larger bedroom and a large library. You are going to use a whole room to store books? How many do you have? That doesn't seem like a big enough amount to fill a whole room. Unless they are as big as you. I don't see the point. Oh, you have one here? Were you reading this while I was asleep? No, I've never read one. What is that one about? Love story. Okay. So why would Milo not go after the girl? Ugh, again. With the money thing? Honestly, you humans are putting so much value into money. And even when you have it, you don't end up happy. What's the point? Honestly. No point giving it to me. I don't know how to read in the first place. Hmm? For a book you claim you like so much, it doesn't seem well taken care of. You've read it that many times? Why? You must be very forgetful if you need to read the same thing over and over. Enjoyment. Huh. I guess that makes more sense. But don't you already know what's gonna happen? I see. You humans are strange creatures. Listen, not that I don't enjoy hearing you talk about a fictional story that is almost definitely going to end up in tragedy or something, but I feel I should be going. I have started feeling better now, so I'll head out. Yeah, I know it's raining outside, but I'm imposing and I think I should be going. Where am I going? I don't believe in having a plan in life. I'll just take wherever the wind takes me. Yes, it is way cozier in here and way softer. But you want me to stay here. Why? Why would you want that? Hey, I can take care of myself. You heard me before the claws, right? I wasn't kidding when I said... No, I don't have anywhere to go. But that doesn't mean I can stay at a stranger's house. You'll cook for me? I guess that does sound intriguing. Maybe for a few nights. Yeah, until the wounds heal. Okay, I'll stay here since you want me to so much. And you'll cook meals for me, yes? Deal. But I have my eye on you, human. Remember that. Anyway, do you mind if I go to sleep now? I'm feeling kind of tired. I'll still know if you try anything. My kind have excellent hearing, you know. Oh, you are going to go to sleep as well. Well, okay, you can go. I shall see you tomorrow? Okay then. Good night, human.